Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for coming, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all this 12-inch Bodywave wig. So it comes with a stock card. It comes with that pretty little clip that says sexy, and this is what the wig is looking like. So taking out a package, you get an elastic band if you want to secure the little part down. It has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the back, and it has the adjustable straps. It's a 2x6 lace wig, so the parting going back is 6 inches, and from side to side it's just 2 inches. So straight out of pack, she has a little order to her, nothing crazy. I wasn't about to bleach the knots or anything like that, and this is what the wig is looking like on my head actually. They say it's 180% density, but I don't think so. So I'm going to be putting my foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color N8 or C8. I'm just using a wipe to clean off the excess makeup from. I'm going to put the lace. I'm using the Bowl Hold active glue, and I'm just putting on 1 layer because I'm not about to wear this wig for more than a couple hours. Okay, so I cut the excess lace off, and I'm just trying to secure it down, or I'm just securing it down rather, and I'm going to take the elastic band and kind of tie it around just to let it melt. So I'm using my Care wax stick just to see if I can flatten this part, because baby, it kind of looks like a mountain. I'm using my hot comb and I'm just combing through just to flatten the part, because I'm not gonna be wearing a wig and it's not flattened. Okay, you want to do that for you to have the most realistic look. I'm gonna do that. So I'm adding some concealer to the part just to brighten it up a little. And as you guys can see right there, the wig, not sure if it came with a bald spot or what, but it looks like I have alopecia. Okay, like somebody plucked out some of my hair, because the hairline was whack to begin with. I did not like it. And I'm using my heat protectant spray, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the hair, because I'm about to put some 1 curl in this baby. So you guys can just, I don't know how to explain how I do the 1 curls. You can just watch and hopefully you will learn. Okay, and I don't think the direction matches really. It all depends on what you want. I'm trying to get these curls as big as possible because I don't want them to be super small. So I wanted them to be big, so that's just what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. Now that it's done, I'm just using my fingers to fluff out the curls, because I don't want them to stay as is. So I think this looks better. To be honest guys, the wig is not bad. I just don't like the lace and I don't like the closure. So I am just using my scissors just to add some layer to the front of the wig, just those 2 sides, and yeah, you guys are gonna see what it looks like. See, look how different it looks. Gorgeous, isn't it? I love the length. I must say the length is gorgeous. It's not hot, and the wig itself is nice. It is very silky. It's very soft, super soft, I must say. It's a silky texture, and the hair itself, shedding was minimal, and it was just a good wig. I'm gonna be honest, the only thing I didn't like was the lace and the hairline. I was not a big fan of that, but I look like I have a bald spot. I look like somebody like plucked out a little piece of my hair. So guys, this wig is on Amazon. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the store, so I'm gonna be leaving that in the description box. I'm going to be leaving the link to the wig in the description box. So if you are interested in getting it, this is an easy slay. So if you don't know anything about wigs, if it's your first time wearing a wig, you don't know what to do, but you want a nice wig, then you can get this one. Okay, to me they said that it was 180% density, but honestly I think this is like a 130 or 150. Didn't feel or look like 180 to me. So I'm just playing with the wig just to see if I can get it to, you know, fluff up or something, because it was a little too flat for me, a little too flat, you know. And I thought it looked cute. Don't you think so? Yeah, I thought it looked cute, and it was an easy slay. Yeah, it's not stiff. Like, stiff where, honey? Where? Stiff where? They ain't stiff. That ain't stiff. All right, so these are just some different ways I plan on styling this wig. I'm gonna wear this hat with it because it kind of covers that little bald spot, and it's cute. Don't I look cute in my little hat? I look cute. Or you can wear a headband over it, or a scarf. I like this one, and I would wear this. And guys, can you like tell that I was feeling myself? I was really feeling myself. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door eventually.